Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download LiteCoin wallet app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Play Store. In the search box, type in LiteCoin wallet app and perform your search. Tap on the LiteCoin application. Then tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. It will take a while to download the app. Once the application is installed, tap open to launch the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.